Sky Bridge. Sky Bridge에 가는
And
거야.
then we are crossing the bridge now. Literally bridge.
오.
To get to the Sky Bridge beach. There's a hot tub there, so you can go in there
Oh,
for resting.
that's what I was expecting. Yeah, I will probably go there a lot.
You should go there a lot.
I will go there. You know, I like Omokyoto.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I think because you would like it. Because I know that you like the hot tub.
차 선택했어.
There
차
is
골랐어.
there is a Nintendo like kind of thing there too in our room.
진짜?
오락실.
차 선택했네.
You
Yeah.
like it?
You know my taste already.
Yeah. So actually, yeah. When I first saw the stream, oh, this is right for Tom.
Yeah, that's
He would like it.
맞아. You know me.
Yeah.
That is my style.
I think I'm the second most knowledgeable person in the world about Tom. Right?
More than my parents, maybe.
I think your mom knows about you more than me.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Maybe not.
Maybe my brother.
Well, I mean, female. The word.
Oh, female. Yeah, probably just my mom and you. Yeah. So this is the pension me and my girlfriend rented in Gapyeong, and we have a bathroom right here. Oh, hello. This is the bathroom, and we actually have room out here. This is for eating. We're gonna have barbecue outside, and then here we have bathtub, also hot tub, so we can fill this one with hot water later. So this should be very fun. We have our own hot tub. So that is this room. And then we have a bed here, with a power outlet here, aircon, dining table here. Oh, 전자 range, stove, and we have these things provided. Usually pension gives us even soju cup so that we can use it in pot. Anything up here? Nope, usually there isn't. Okay. Kettle and mini fridge. We already put our stuff in here. And we have a TV and arcade, and we're trying to figure out how to use this. Yeah. Yeah, and bringing. Alright, we got the arcade machine working. I think we can choose Metal Slug, right? But they have a lot of games. Double Dragon. What's this? King of Fighters? I think it's King of Fighters. Yep. A lot of good games here for 2 players. X-Men versus Street Fighter, oh, Vampire Hunter. A lot of good 2-player games here. Arcade games. What's this one? Jackie Chan. A lot of interesting games here. Ooh, some nice beat 'em ups. Okay, we'll play some of these later. These look very fun. Oh, Simpsons Arcade, that's a really good one. Dynasty Warriors. Yeah, I probably have a lot of stuff here. Yeah, very cool. Now we have a barbecue here. We can use it to cook our own meat. Got some sausage and 목살 and 삼겹살. 맛있겠다. Okay, start eating, and she's gonna start washing the 야채. All right, 잘 먹겠습니다. All right, we got it cooking now. Some the grill, 삼겹살 here, 목살, sausage. Leave it on here for a while and let it grill. 맛있겠다. A lot of fire in the middle here. Look at this. I don't want this to be overcooked.
이것 좀 뜯어줄래?
응? Oh, this might be close to ready. 목살. This 삼겹살. I'm gonna put it in here for too long, but ooh. I'm gonna cut it into pieces.
먹어봐, 자기야.
Gapyeong broccoli. 다시. 짠. 가평 데려와줘서 고마워. 이게 너무 재밌었어. 안녕. 지금 삼겹살이랑 목살 구워하고 있어. But we have to finish by tomorrow. I am the Korean chef today, so I am making the meat. And 삼겹살. 국내산 돼지고기. December. And I'm doing it so that me and my girlfriend have enough to eat for tomorrow. So, this is my check-in. As husband, I can make you, I can cook. How it goes, so? Okay. Yeah. I'm pretty nice for them. I just. Okay, doesn't. So you. My Korean, I just. We're filling up the water.
The smoke is 가게 연기 너무 많이 나. 가까이 앉지 마.
여기 말야 돼. 이거
다시 해봐.
야, 무인아. I do good. I just can't touch it.
Okay.
Alright, I'm in the hot tub now. Let's finish this bottle of macaroni. Alright. Finishing macaroni in the hot tub. That's good. Oh, man. Really nice. Macaroni in the hot tub. Gapyeong 막걸리. 제일 맛있어. Oh no, actually, I like Ichon 막걸리 better, but this is okay. 맛있다. Alright, that's my 막걸리 drinking adventures in the hot tub. You get 3, can you put it in between and then it'll, yeah. Oh. No. Just put 3 in a row, yeah. Oh no. Oh. No. Oh no. Oh. Oh no.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
Oh no.
I died first.
You died first. I was gonna die too. Similar to the Fruity Fruity game, right? A little bit. So you're shooting up.
You really have to get the good sense of angle.
Yeah, the angle is important. Here. See, I found a game that you would like, even though there's a lot of games on here. I think this is the type of game Brian would like.
I like this one.
Hmm. Uh-huh. Oh. Hmm. Hmm.
Aw, wanna die.
Again. What happened?
Okay.
Hmm. Oh. Oh.
I don't know.
No, I'm hinting. Well. Hmm? What's this one? Yeah. Let's go. Can you beat him? Oh. Oh.
Die.
No, you got another life.
That's so strong.
Yeah, he is very strong.
Aw.
Oh, nice. Chare. Oh.
Aw.
Oh.